Hello to all of our Gray Cloud families. This is Mrs. Downs, the assistant principal, with an exciting announcement. For the first time ever, we are going to have a drive-through parade on Thursday, April 23rd from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Now, what's a drive-through parade? A drive-through parade is where we will have staff members lining the perimeter of our school grounds to wave and smile at anybody who's able to drive through our parade route. Sorry, no stopping for autographs from staff members. We need to continue to stay a safe distance away from each other. Additionally, we're asking for vehicles only, no biking or walking the route, please. You will notice throughout the route that staff members will be on the right side of your vehicle or the passenger side of the vehicle. So a hint for our families or a suggestion is that if you have any signs or messages and for the children to be on the right side or passenger side of the vehicle if possible. Now I'm going to show you our parade route of how you're going to come into the parking lot. You will enter at the main entrance, similar how you do for carpool, and you're going to go to the right, and you're going to come along here, and you're going to turn left here, just like you do, and drive right in front of the building. And you are going to continue straight here, and you are going to take a right. There's going to be staff members all along here. And we're going to have you go into the bus loop back here, take a right, and we're going to have you turn your vehicle around to come back through here. There will be more staff on this right side of the vehicle, and this is where you will safely exit the Gray Cloud parking lot. And that's the conclusion of our parade. We really hope to see you there on Thursday, April 23rd from 1 to 2:30 p.m. We can't wait to see you. We're going to have some fun things planned, and staff members are very excited to see you. Thank you all, and take care.